right, I'll tune it just one more. Well, I'd sing a song about California, but I haven't written one. I'll sing you a song about the end of the world. It's going to happen first in California. It's a happy little number. In the midst of the war, he offered us peace. He came like a lover from out of the east, with the face of an angel and the heart of a beast. His intentions were 666. He walked up to the temple with gold in his hand. He bought off the priests and propositioned the land. The world was his harlot and laid in the sand, while the band played 666. It's on the record. We served at his table and slept on the floor, but he starved us and beat us. He nailed us to the door. Well, I'm ready to die. I can't take anymore, and I'm sick of his lies and his tricks. You know, he told us he loved us. That was a lie. There was blood in his pockets and death in his eyes. Well, my number is up and I'm ready to die. If the band will play 6, if the band will play 616, if the band will play 666.
Ursa Major will bind the triumphant hand which feeds it, while the sloth of May decays in the garden of Europa. A lion will open the gates of hell, fighting serpents and ancient rats, as the shadow of humanity explodes into an apocalyptic spring. Ursa Major will bind the triumphant hand which feeds it, while the sloth of May decays in the garden of Europa. the shadow of humanity takes blooms into an apocalyptic spring.
Two, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, hey,
Brother,
2, 2.
there's an
I need a lot more fucking power in this booth. We're sitting pretty low right now.
Hey, sister, know the water's sweet, but blood is thicker. Oh, if the sky comes falling down for you, there's nothing in this world I wouldn't do. Hey, brother, do you still believe in one another? Hey, sister, do
We're at
you
the Hollywood
still
Bowl here to see Avicii, one of our favorite DJs out there.
Hollywood Bowl here to see Avicii. We're at the Hollywood Bowl to see Taylor and Megan here to see Avicii.
Yeah, I like Wake Me Up. I just really like this music.
Who are you guys here to see tonight?
Avicii! Levels to Wake Me Up.
Hey brother, wake me up.
Hey brother, definitely.
Hey, brother.
Sometimes I get a feeling.
Avicii is the best.
When EDM makes you shiver, it's good EDM. It drops and you're like, ooh, you know what I mean?
the sky comes falling down for you? There's nothing in this world I wouldn't do.
Hey sister, if you wear anything, my blood is thicker.